Boy, it's freaking windy. And just like that, we've already started the episode. Well, better do something about this wind. Valley Block Frog Trick Cut. Fatty, what in the Microsoft Paint are you doing here? Oh, just coming to see my favorite 08 character, Block Frog. Nasty food content! I thought this was a very windy day. Sorry, Block Frog, but not today. My contest meter is on E. Oh, alright. But first, let's eat these fire burritos. Hey, mine matches my skin color. 30 minutes late. Hey, Block Frog. The nasty thing we gotta eat is this old bag of expired Flame Cheetos. That doesn't sound too bad to me. Yes, but did I mention that the expiration date was October 1st, 1982? Yep, those sure are expired. You know, these aren't that bad. Yeah, you know, they aren't even that hot. "30 minutes later." You know, you're always in these episodes, but you never really do anything. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Quick, while they're arguing. Boy, it sure is a good thing we got out of there. No one must see our horribly deformed, burnt faces. You got that right. The wind!